Iya, and then mm-mm. Oke, parking lot itu apa parking lot? What is parking lot? Iya, tempat parkir. Ter tempat parkir, parking lot itu tempat parkir, sama itu ya dengan park. Oke, continue, go on. Where, uh, where, maksudnya lanjutkan. Where, uh, apa jawabannya? Oke, lanjutkan, lanjutkan, lanjutkan. Go on, go on. Mm, mm, mm. Uh, and then, okay, now we are going to discuss together. Kita mendiskusikan sama-sama. Okay, so these are the first word. Duyun. Also here the guest. So this is the guest. Duyun push the large orange shopping cart into Price Mart parking lot, where she popped open the trunk of her gray blank blank blank. So ini yang bagian pertama. So the answer is push, correct. The clue is large and shopping cart and also parking lot. Okay, and then here's the clue. Might be helpful for the second word. Pop open the trunk for her gray. Okay, ini nama produk. Okay, so here it can be luxury, it can be economic. Inilah uh, guessingnya bisa yang dua ini, yang bisa dua ini juga. Seperti ini juga seperti itu. Ini bisa. Jadi itu adalah namanya juga guess, to guess, menebak. Menebak kata yang berkaitan dengan kalimat ini. Okay. Now the number two is this is the answer, luxury or economic. Okay. Okay, and then here the third word. The third word, I come here once a week, sometimes twice. It's so blank 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 new, said Miss Blue. So actually it can be what? It can be convenient, it can be cheap, it can be quick, it can be new. So now it is it is called to guess. Itulah namanya menebak. Okay? Now we continue this one. Mas Tri coba dibaca. Mas Tri baca ini semua. Okay. These sentences. Verbs. Want verbs. Verbs. Okay. Write the best word for each page. Okay, once again, read the instruction. Okay. directly answer. Ya, langsung dijawab. Okay, next. Hmm. He runs all the way. Next. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, prepares. Okay. Okay, it can be cooks. Okay. Okay, it can be cooks. It can be provide. It can be makes. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Likes. Pakai S ya. Likes everything. Okay, number 4. Hmm. Homesick. Homesick. Uh-huh. Okay, good. She she sends a letter or she sends letter to her mother. If you want to put sends here, okay? Sends what? Sends letters to her mother. So should be there should be preposition to. Okay? Okay. Okay, and the last. Mm, okay. She plays. Plays. Ve- very well. Okay, very well. Once again, very well. Very well. Okay, good. Okay, Jen takes piano lessons and she plays very well. Okay, so so it will be it's your homework actually, and so these are scanning and guessing meanings of the word. Do you have any question from these topics? Do you have any question from this topic? Okay. Arti yang mana? Nah, you have to remember, right? Uh, Wait, you have to remember this one. Some words are not important and you can understand many idea paragraph without them. Okay? Jadi kadang dalam skill itu ada step-step yang harus kita perhatikan. If you don't know, don't be worried. Jangan khawatir. Lanjutkan saja seperti itu. If you don't know, don't be worried. Okay? Here, like this one. Okay, I need to tell you again this one. Juyun blank the large orange shopping cart, okay, into price parking lot. Okay, at least you know some words here. Parking lot, you know, right? Mart, you know, right? Cart, you know, right? So what did she do actually? What did she do actually? Or what did he do actually? So of course there should be uh, pose or verb here. You have to remember. You have to remember that in a sentence there should be subjects and object, if not object, predicate or verb, and there should be object. Here's object, and this is the name of the place. Okay, you have to know. Kalian harus mengetahui Berarti di sini, kalau di sini do you, berarti di sini apa dong? Oh, kata kerja. Nah, kalian cari kata kerja apa yang cocok di sini, seperti itu. Kalau misalnya di sini uh, ini kan nama orang. Terus kalau di sini to be nggak cocok, masa do you the large orange shopping cart? Nggak mungkin kan? So here should be verb. Harus kata kerja. Okay, where she popped open the trunk of her gray blank blank blank. Quick. This is the name of the product. Berarti di sini her gray blank 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 book ini noun phrase. Noun phrase. Berarti di sini should be what kind of product? So should be adjective here. Should be adjective here. So this will explain this one. Okay. So you need to be careful. You need to try to understand the steps, the way. Kalian harus coba memahami step-stepnya, cara-caranya, dan apply dan terapkan cara-cara itu, method itu. And I believe if you do this, you will be able to practice the strategy or the skills in reading. Okay? Masih tadi pertanyaannya belum mengerti kata-katanya atau vocabulary-nya, seperti itu ya. Oh. Kata kerja bantu. Kata sifat kan kemarin sudah saya jelaskan ciri-cirinya kan. Kata sifat you know right. Okay. Into ini namanya preposition, ke dalam, into, ke dalam. I'll send you tomorrow preposition, list of preposition and the function. Nanti Miss sebenarnya Miss punya filenya, cuman Miss mau edit dulu biar kalian gampang pahami. Jadi ini preposition. Jadi preposisi itu nama juga preposition berarti sebelum posisi. Posisi itu tempat, berarti digunakan sebelum tempat. Jadi proses tempat preposisi itu sebelum nama-nama tempat, misalnya in market, into price, smart parking lot, on the boat, in train. Jadi itu adalah jenis-jenis preposisi. Jadi namanya into itu preposisi. Mana lagi ada preposisi di sini? To bisa juga preposisi to. Jadi itu in itu adalah preposisi, artinya kata depan. Kata depan. Itu. Okay. Don't worry, don't be worried. Okay? If you don't understand, feel free to ask me. Okay? Jadi kalau nggak mengerti, tanya saja. I will help you. I will help you all. Okay? Have a nice dream. Okay, wait, yeah. Thank you for asking this question. Okay. Have a nice dream. Okay. Jadi sebenarnya ini bentuk present tense. Sebenarnya there's here you may have a nice dream. Tetapi dipersingkat aja, dipersingkat, jadi ini dihilangkan. Have a nice dream, seperti itu. Jadi structure sebenarnya you may have a nice dream. Okay? Itu sebenarnya strukturnya, seperti like this one. Misalnya kalimat perintah. Kalimat perintah misalnya open the door. Open the door. Ini kalimat ini jenis kalimat perintah ya. Kalimat perintah. Actually sebenarnya there should be subject here. You open the door, but it is omitted, tapi dihilangkan. dihilangkan. Jadi open the door. So you have to imagine that in a sentence there should be subject and predicate. Oke, jadi kalian harus mengetahui, membayangkan bahwa dalam satu kalimat itu harus ada subjek dan predikat. That's the basic sentence. Subject and predicate, and then the next subject, predicate, object, and subject, predicate, adjective, subject, predicate, noun. Seperti itu. Oke? Ada lagi? Do you have any questions? No, may itu kata kerja bantu. Have itu kata kerjanya di sini. Kata kerja bantu. Kata kerja bantu. May is kata kerja bantu. Bentuk pasnya Mike. Do you know Mike? May, Mike. Have you ever heard? Ini namanya bukan tenses. Ini kan kata kerja bantu. Jadi ini it's not talking about tenses. Tapi biasanya kalau may digunakan untuk present tense. Jadi ini dan istilahnya kalau lebih sopan atau paling sopan, you may semoga kamu, you may have a nice dream, seperti itu. Jadi ini kalau may untuk present, might untuk past. Oke, seperti itu. Jadi have itu bisa juga berfungsi sebagai kata kerja, bisa berfungsi sebagai kata kerja bantu. Contohnya nih, dia berfungsi sebagai kata kerja di sini. Kalau dia berfungsi sebagai kata kerja bantu, you have to go. Jadi have to go di sini sebagai kata kerja bantu. Ini kata kerja utama. Dia di sini dia ya main. No, this is present tense. Yeah, of course. Kalau dia present perfect, have, has, plus verb 3. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, you got it? Okay. No many. Ini juga bentuk present tense. Ini juga bentuk present tense. Ini menyatakan keharusan. You have to. Kamu harus pergi. Iya, have to harus. Kalau misalnya perempuan, she has to. Oke. Itu. Oke. Banyak. Itu ada sekitar 26, 24 seperti itu. Enggak. To be itu linking verb, kata kerja penghubung. Jadi ada namanya linking verb. Oh, so many. Actually, learning English is very fun. Seperti ini, kalau misalnya saya sudah membuka seperti ini, pasti kalian pengen belajar ini. Aduh, yang ini apa ya gitu. So don't be worried, we still have much time. Okay, I think that's all for tonight, right? Okay, next time we will continue, we will discuss for another topic. Thank you, good night.